Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday. You got that right, it's coming up, so we gotta make some stuff to munch on. This video is participating in a collaboration organized by my buds, the Kitchen Queers. Hey Mitch, hey Philip. They're from San Francisco, and they often get together a bunch of YouTube creators, cooks like me, to come up with some cool things for people to make for any given event, in this case, the Super Bowl. Here's what I've got going on for you today. We're going to be making a traditional tapenade. It's very easy. There's no cooking involved. Super keto. You'll see the macros at the end. So I'm kind of excited about it. Let's get started.
Starts off here with a 10-ounce jar that's about 280 grams of Castelvetrano olives. You can use any other olive that you prefer. I suggest you use green ones. And if you can't find pitted ones, you can pit them easily yourself. Let me just show you how to do that. What you do is you take your olive here, you put the flat edge of your knife down on it, give it a couple of taps, just like that, a little bit, there you go, and tear it apart and remove the pit. Now here, 10 ounces of olives turns out to be 6.5 ounces, that's 185 grams. When it's pitted, I'm going to put these in the food processor. I'm going to add to that a half a cup, that's 60 grams of pitted Kalamata olives. I'm going to add in a quarter cup of parsley as well. And a clove of chopped garlic. Get it all in there. There we go. I like this a little spicy, so I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. If you don't like that, then just leave it out. It's not a big deal. And then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. It's delicious. Use good olive oil in this case. Now here, put the lid on. And what we're going to do is, I don't want to puree this into a paste. I want this to have little pieces in it and be kind of chunky. So we're going to pulse it here, just like this, a couple of times. There we go. And I'm just going to scrape it down one time. The larger pieces rise sometimes to the edges. And here we go. We're going to put the lid back on. And pulse it just a few times here. And there we go. Perfect.
Now to garnish and to serve, I'm going to use these wonderful cheese chips that I just pulled out of the oven a little while ago. They're nice and crisp. This is the recipe from the Kitchen Queers video, cheddar cheese crisps, although I used Munster cheese because it's what I had on hand. And I think that makes a really nice little presentation. And it'll be delicious. Well, all right, let's give it a taste here. Now, put about a teaspoon of this on one of our crackers and check it out. Wow. Really, really good, intense, fruity, salty. If you like olives, you're going to love this dish. You're also going to love those chips, let me tell you what. So check out that video by the Kitchen Queers. Really, really good. These are crunchy and just lovely. Listen, before we go, let's talk macros. For this whole recipe, and obviously you're not going to make a meal out of it, you're just going to have a snack here. For the whole recipe, it has 826.5 calories, 5 grams of net carbs, no protein at all, so 0 grams, and 98 grams of fat. The chips, now I made a dozen of these chips. I used 3 slices of American Munster cheese, and the whole recipe has 240 calories, 1 gram of net carbs, 15 grams of protein, and 13.5 grams of fat. Per chip, per individual chip, that comes down to 20 calories, no net carbs really to speak of, 1.5 grams of protein, and 1 gram of fat. Thanks again to Philip and Mitch of Kitchen Queers in San Francisco for organizing this collaboration. You guys are great. I had so much fun doing it. And thanks to everybody out there for watching. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow and it helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Also, please like, share on Facebook, and comment on the video. Love it when you do that. Listen, thanks so much for joining us here today, and we'll catch you next time.